Well, I would say I have fava beans, but I don't know when I'm supposed to pick them. And these all were volunteers. Too bad we can't grow our whole garden on a volunteer basis. They come up when they're supposed to, they grow when they're supposed to, and they grow so much better when they do it on their own. Now, do I have any purple runner beans? Got flowers. Those aren't purple. They were purple before. Well, I like purple flowers. There's another fava. And this is the bush beans that were planted at the same time as the pole beans. And so I put Malabar spinach in there. And thyme. Looks like what, Colorado bean beetle? This is where I found the good batch of radishes. Oh my, it looks like I might have a decent sized carrot coming up. I was just moving it out of the too densely populated area. There's no place to set it down to check it out. Now that's a pretty little carrot. Nice little snack. I guess that was the pot of the multicolored carrots. I don't remember. I've got 3 pots. I can't remember which is which anymore. Look what I just found. I've heard them called Buddha's hand. It's where each segment of the citrus ends up with a skin around it. Orion. I've never had it before. But that's interesting because it's a lot more than what my lemon segments have. And I don't know if it's a bacteria or if it's a bug that causes it. But you're really lucky when you get it. And I guess I'm really lucky. Looks like here's another one. It's not going to be as fancy. And for some reason, the lemon tree is just growing like crazy. It usually doesn't do much at all. Just kind of hangs in there. But this time it's just growing nuts. Oh, we actually had rain this year. That's what it is. We got a ton of rain. At least 10 total inches compared to our usual 2 or 3. Well, found something else that's weird. Not my date palms. The thing was full of water, so I laid it over to drain the water out. And what is this thing? You gonna stay over? You're not gonna stay over. Oh, there you go. What are you? Animal, vegetable, or mineral? What are you? You are a strange looking thing. I've never grown anything in there that looked like that. Definitely not asparagus. There's some kind of weird, highly poisonous, weird thing. Ooh, I wonder what that was. I wonder if I'm going to get some more. Ain't nature wonderful?